Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria and today I am bringing you something delicious. You can see on my screen. I'll be making pistachio butter. I love pistachio. Now before I go any further, for you my first time viewers that are joining me for the first time, welcome. I'm so happy to have you with me today. Now, pistachio is a little pricey when it comes on to nuts, but it's worth it. Pistachio brings you good fat to your body. It's high in magnesium and iron, protein and fiber. So I love eating pistachio. This is out of the shell because I'm not trying to overwork myself, like bite in the shell, then take it out of the shell. If you want to buy yours in the shell, you're welcome to buy yours in the shell. But this is out of the shell and it's roasted and lightly salted. Now, if you buy your pistachio and it's not roasted and you want to make some pistachio butter, it's super easy to make pistachio butter. This is how you make almond butter. Just add some sea salt to it, and there's a way to, like, if you want, like, oh, I want to be a little more sweeter, you can add some raw honey to it. I am only just, because I already have salt in my pistachio, I don't need to add any salt, so I'm just gonna pour this in my food processor. I will be using 3 cups of pistachio. Okay, so I'm just using, as I told you before, 3 cups of pistachio. This is 1 cup here. This is so lovely. I can't wait to just print it up. This is so lovely. Crackers. However, if you have toast, toast would be super good to have. You just put some pistachio on your toast. Nice whole wheat organic bread. Get this finger licking. This is my favorite butter. If you love pistachio, you have to make the butter. This is my favorite butter. This is so good. I'm going to put some of this in my smoothie, because I make smoothies throughout the week in the morning to drink anyway. I'm gonna put some pistachio in my smoothie. This is so good. Guys, make sure you check my description box, and I'll tell you all the health benefits that pistachio have. You know, it's high in iron. Lots of iron, vitamin, protein, magnesium, all of those are in pistachio. It does have fat to it, but it's healthy fat. You need a healthy fat in your body. This is so good. Guys, when you watch my video, please, pretty please, with cherry on top, leave a comment and give me the thumbs up on my video, and share my videos with each and every one you know, and encourage them to click the subscribe on my channel. And remember to always check my description box below. And I thank you for watching, and I love spending time with you guys. I love you guys so much, and enjoy the rest of your day, and enjoy your pistachio butter. And if you make your butter, please let me know that you make your butter and how is the butter, and let me know how much you enjoy it, like the way I'm enjoying mine right now. See you next week.